welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, my name is Jadeywadey180. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to get this look right here. It's super glowy, bright, and perfect for the summertime using the brand new Iluvsarahii and Dose of Colors collection, as well as a lot of other new products. So if you want to know how to get this look, go ahead and keep watching. Okay babes, so jumping straight into it, I do have my face done with my foundation and my brows just because I feel like I've been wearing the same foundation over the last couple of days, and I've showed you guys it before. I've been wearing the Becca 24 Hour. I love this stuff so much. I will do an updated foundation routine very soon, but today we're going to be focusing on eyes, highlighter, and lips using so many amazing new products. I'm going to be showing you guys the Iluvsarahii and Dose of Colors collection, which is so gorgeous and beautiful for the summertime and really any season at all. It's just got a lot of really pretty bronzy tones. So today's look is going to be really bronzy, really orangey tones. I'm also going to be using a little bit of lime crime, a little bit of Tarte, and a lot more. So jumping straight into it, we're going to start with the eyes. We're going to be priming our eyes with Custard concealer from Nars. Okay, so once our primer is on, we can go ahead and move on to the shadow, and we're going to start with the eyeshadow palette from Iluvsarahii and Dose of Colors. This has amazing, beautiful colors in it. Lots of pretty peaches, warm tones, red tones. We're going to be sticking with the more neutral tones today, so we're going to be using this one, and this really pretty gold one in here. So to start off the eyes, we're going to use this peachy tone right here just to set all of the primer. So I really like this shade because it's a really pretty peachy brown. Super good for any transition. I feel like it's definitely a must to have a transition color in your palette because you want to be able to have a color that's going to blend everything really nicely together. So I really love this shade. I honestly feel like you could just put a little bit of liner on and lashes and totally wear just this color on your eyes, but I do want to vamp it up and glam it up a little bit more because I am going for a very summer shimmery look. So, but if you wanted to, you know, calm it down and go a little bit softer, you could totally just use this shadow. Okay, moving on to the next shade in the palette, we're going to be using this really pretty rusty brown shade. And this is gorgeous for the crease. You can even put this under the eyes on the lash line, but I want to kind of smoke out the eye a little bit, so I'm going to put it on the crease as well as a little bit on the eyelid. So excited. I have lots of fun, new, exciting things coming up. I'm going to be moving soon into a new, bigger place. So I'm really excited about that. I also got a new background. What do you guys think? I was doing all those solid color backdrops, which I still will do, but I really wanted something with shelves. And I just feel like it's super fun to just mix everything around on the shelves every now and then. It's just different. I don't know if you guys can see, I have Iluvsarahii's box right here, which is so cute, and I have a bunch of beauty blenders right here as well. So let me know if you guys like this backdrop a little bit more. I've been loving it lately. Okay, so moving on to shimmer, we're going to be using this really gorgeous bronzy gold shade in the palette. I've actually used it before a couple days ago and I love it. It's super pigmented and it's just a really nice bright color for a gold. So we're going to be applying this now with just a flat brush. I'm using my MAC 233. You can go ahead and spray your brush if you want a little bit more stick. This is just the Kat Von D Locket. Like, it's so pigmented. I love, love, love these. Okay, so for the inner corner of the eye, I'm going to be using this really pretty champagne pearl shade right here, just to make the inside pop a little bit, and I'm also going to apply it a little bit underneath the brow bone. sometimes I love to highlight my brow bone, and then sometimes I think it looks kind of tacky. I don't know, maybe I'm just weird, but especially if I don't have my brows done, like I don't like to highlight under there because it just shows all the hairs, but they look okay right now, so we're just gonna do it. Okay, so we used most of the colors in the Dose of Colors palette, but I'm gonna move on to another palette that had a really bright orange that I really wanted to use because I wanted some super bright color in this look. And not that these aren't bright, but they're not as bright as I wanted, so I just got this sent to me. These are the Plushies palette. So this is a sheer press pigment quad. This is from Lime Crime, and I really just wanted to use this because I love this orange in here. I don't know, it just is called Orange Juice, and it's just a really pigmented, like that is so pigmented for an orange. So we're gonna apply that to the lower lash line just to brighten up the look a little bit more. I'm gonna be using a flat shader brush. This is from Japanesque. It's the number 346. Okay, so now that we have the base of the eyeshadow, we can move on to eyeliner. Today I'm going to be using a new liner. This is from Pur Cosmetics. It's the online eyeliner called Hotline. It's really pretty because the packaging has a little bit of shimmer, so I can tell that it's going to be a little bit shimmery, but it's a bronzy brown, kind of dark brown shimmer. So I'm excited to try this. Okay, now that both eyes are done with the eyeliner, I'm moving on to mascara. And my favorite mascara that I have been loving for months and months since it came out is the Voluminous Lash Paradise from L'Oreal. I just really like how it makes my lashes look because I have the most puny lashes on the planet and it's so annoying. But it gives me a little bit of lash, so on an everyday when I really don't want to waste my $40, $20 lashes that I love so much, I will just wear this because it's amazing for a mascara on the go. But today, since this look is so glam, I am gonna put some lashes on top of this. Why is it that we do the weirdest faces when we do mascara? Like, oh, like why? Why can't we just do cute faces? Okay, so for my falsies today, I'm gonna be wearing one of my new favorite lash lines. It's from Jenny, and she created this line called Baddie Bee Lashes, and I love it so much. I've been obsessed with the Sugar Baby lash. I wore it like literally 6 times, and I'm really sad because, rest in peace, it's at the bottom of the trash can because they got ruined because of my cats. But today I'm going to be using this style. This is called Baddie. It's a lot like Sugar Baby actually, but it's a little, I feel like it's a little bit thicker. So I'm really excited to try these out because I've been loving this lash lately. It's very, very high quality. I'm not sure the price. I'll put all the info down below, but I really, really like them. Okay, so my lashes are drying with the glue. I put the House of Lashes clear glue on. So while those are drying a little bit, because I like them to be tacky and then they go on much easier, I'm gonna do a little bit more of my face. So we're gonna do blush, bronzer, highlight, all the shebang. So starting with bronzer, I'm gonna be using the Bobbi Brown Bronzing Powder in Golden Light 1. The shade's really nice because it's kind of a gray toned bronzer. It's not really warm. Very cool, so it just bronzes up real nice. And this is my favorite brush for bronzing. Like, I just love, the dome fits right in the cheekbone, so it's really nice. This is the Morphe R14. Got a bronze in the hair. I'm also really excited because I'm gonna be going to Paris soon with Benefit. So that is coming up too. Lots of fun, exciting things coming up. We're in August. August is my birthday month. So I'm planning a really fun birthday party. And I'm gonna vlog the whole thing so that you guys can see. I know I've been saying I'm gonna put up a vlog forever, but I just feel like I wanna have really good content in the vlog of like fun things that I'm doing and not just like me driving around or me like drinking coffee, which that's totally fine too in a vlog. But maybe I'm just like overthinking it, which I overthink everything with Instagram, social media. So Promise you, the vlog is coming soon. Okay, and I did not do my nose contour because we're gonna be using my baby, my fetus. This is my 180 Glam nose brush. If you don't know, you better know, because this brush is so good for contouring the nose. I'm just using the large side in my Bronzy. I'm just gonna go down the sides. I like to go kind of heavy at first, like heavy-handed with the color, and then we can go over it and just blend everything in. But if you want a really good nose contour, really want your nose to look really snatched, then we gotta go a little bit dark on the sides. Yes, today is one of those days where I was just like too lazy to do my hair, so it's wet in a bun, and I'm totally fine with it. Do you guys ever have those days? I wish I could just like wear a wig, but I just don't know how to lay a wig very well, because then I would never do my hair. Okay, we have our contour on. I'm gonna go ahead and soften it up with a little bit of powder. I just like to use like a neutral tone powder, just something that's close to your skin tone. And the same brush, and we're just gonna go over it a little bit. This just helps to soften up the lines so we don't go walking around looking like a crazy. You want it to look blended. Okay, we're ready. So moving on to the blush. This is a new blush that I wanted to try, and the packaging is freaking adorable, but when I opened it, I was expecting it to be like a super bright pink, but I'm really happy that it wasn't anything that crazy. This is called Fairy Blush. It's like a really soft, I wanna say like mauve nude. So I'm really excited to try this. And this is from Tarte. Look at the packaging, so cute. I'm just gonna be using my 717 brush from Japanese. Definitely comes out like a really soft pink, and I love that. Whenever I do like any peachy or orange tone eyes, I don't really like to do peachy blush. Like I wanna balance it a little bit. I don't just want everything orange. So pink cheeks with peachy orange eyes is really nice. Oh, my lashes, oh my gosh. See, I always do that. I wait for them to dry and then I'm like, forgot. And then I have to put more glue on, but I think we're okay. Ooh, just right. It's a little bit tacky, but it's almost dry. Bingo. So this is my first time wearing this style lash. Definitely an eye opener, definitely very thick, definitely my type of lash. So I'm very happy with these. But if you guys don't want to wear lashes with this look, you totally don't have to. I'm just a lash hoe and I need it in my life. Okay, lashes are intact and we are ready to move on to the glow. Today's glow is also gonna be from the Dose of Colors and Iluvsarahii collection. I just love to say her name, Sarahii. It's so cute. But this color I have been loving for my highlighter. I've been wearing it in a couple of my photos. This is Soul Mate with an S-O-L, so like the sun. And it's such a gorgeous highlighter, very, very pigmented. Like it literally feels like butter and it's just so creamy. Let me see if I can put it right here. So creamy and highlighty. Like dripping in glow. This is amazing. For my brush, I'm gonna be using the Couture highlighting brush. I totally stole this from Angel's desk the other day because I swear every time I see him and I have my kit, he takes it from me. So Angel, I know that this one is mine and it's not yours. Keeping it nippy. But first, before we do highlight, let's go ahead and spray our face. I'm gonna be using the Lock-It setting spray. Ooh, okay. So glowy. Love this. I really love Dose of Colors highlighters, any of the highlighters that they have come out with in the past. So I knew that the highlighter was gonna be poppin' and definitely up to par because they just know how to do it. All of their products are so beautiful. Okay. forget the Cupid's bow. Need a glow mustache, if you know what I mean. Sometimes I just barely highlight my forehead. I do a little bit on our chin. I don't like too much because I feel like it makes the chin look bigger. I don't know. And then let's put a little bit on our nose. Using my Nose Perfector, the tiny side, I always do this. I just dip that tip in and then apply. Yes, yes. Love how this turned out. I'm just gonna glow up the body a little bit. And by a little bit, I mean a lot of it. You know, everyone needs a little bit of ear highlight. So for today's lips, I wanted to do something bold and bright. So for the lip liner, we are going to be using Holy Red from Nars and Fresa from Dose of Colors. Okay, lip liner is on, and we are ready for Fresa. This is definitely kind of more of an orange tone red, reddish pink as well. And I don't really have a lot of colors that are like this, so it's super nice. And if you guys have not tried Dose of Colors liquid lipsticks, they're super thin and really comfortable, and they smell so good. But you don't really need a lot with this liquid lipstick because a little goes a super long way. I'm just gonna spray a little bit more of the setting spray. And I mean a lot, because I love this stuff so much, it's so good. Okay guys, so this is the completed look using a lot of the Dose of Colors and Karen's collection, as well as so many other fun products that I have not tried before. I really love how this look turned out. I feel like it's perfect for summertime. You got a lot of colors in here. I'm trying to do more bright looks for you guys. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel to see a lot more videos in the future. And I love you guys so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.